Look at that pesto. Look how good that is. Look at it.
Wait. Hold on. Is that the right? Okay, there it is.
Yeah, it was there the whole time, so, yeah. Pesto.
What? I don't get any? That isn't cool.
I'm sorry.
The cameraman gets none.
Think so.
But are we using forks or? Yeah! Oh, which one's mine?
No, we were just taking the pesto.
Oh.
I'm just thinking about the pesto, yeah. I'm still gonna put the pasta together.
Yum.
That was very annoying.
Yum.
We're making a video right now.
I'm sorry.
I just remembered. See? That's what I'm talking about.
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 That's what I'm talking about. Bored Midnight YouTube fans? Howdy.